Most car accessories end up being cheap plastic trash that breaks in a week or clutters up your dashboard. I bought and tested the top 5 models so you don't have to waste your money, finding which ones actually make daily driving easier, safer, and way less frustrating. Here are the absolute best car gadgets worth your hard-earned cash.
Product number 1. Drop Stop Original Patented Car Seat Gap Filler. When I picked up the Drop Stop, it felt like a sturdy neoprene cushion with a clever slot cut right down the middle. It feels soft yet durable and squishes into tight spaces smoothly. Sliding it over my driver's seatbelt catch took less than 10 seconds, and it instantly blocked off that awful abyss between my seat and center console. During my drive tests, I purposely dropped my phone, house keys, and loose change down the gap, but everything stayed right on top where I could grab it easily. Adjusting my seat back and forth didn't dislodge it at all. It moved smoothly along the track without popping loose. My favorite part was how black neoprene makes it look completely invisible once installed. If you're tired of fishing lost belongings from underneath your car seats, this gap filler is worth buying. If you also hate dealing with messy cables, check this option out.
Product number 2. Lysen Retractable Car Charger. When I unboxed the Lysen Retractable Charger, the smooth matte housing felt thick, sturdy, and surprisingly compact given everything built inside it. The rotating base swivels smoothly with a reassuring, solid click. Plugging it into my lighter socket, the adjustable head let me angle the body away from my gear shifter so it stayed completely clear. Pulling out the built-in cable gave me plenty of reach, and a gentle tug snapped it straight back inside without any annoying tangles. I charged 2 phones at once using the extra ports, and the fast-charging power topped off my battery surprisingly quick on my morning drive. It never wiggled loose over rough roads. My favorite part was how clean my dashboard looked without loose cords everywhere. If you hate tangled wires cluttering your cup holders, this charger is worth every single penny. If you prefer mounting your phone magnetically, check this next. Product number 3. Lysen Magnetic Phone Mount for Car Dashboard. When I took the Lysen magnetic phone mount out of the box, the metallic body felt solid, weighted, and far more durable than cheap plastic holders. The swivel joint rotates with smooth, firm resistance. Sticking the adhesive base onto my dashboard was simple, and once I set my phone against the faceplate, the strong array of magnets grabbed it with an impressive grip. Driving over bumpy streets and taking quick highway exits, my phone stayed rock steady without twisting or slipping off. My favorite part was being able to rotate my screen from vertical for phone calls to horizontal for GPS navigation using just one hand. It keeps my sightline clear without blocking my AC vents. If you want a low profile and super strong magnetic holder for daily driving, this is easily a top pick. Now, if your car lacks Bluetooth for streaming, this small adapter fixes that instantly.
Product number 4. SyncWire Bluetooth 5.3 FM transmitter for car. When I held the SyncWire Bluetooth FM transmitter, the compact body felt sturdy, and the tactile volume knob had a nice clicky feel. The front LED display lights up brightly so you can see your station at a glance. Plugging it into my lighter socket, my phone connected via Bluetooth almost instantly. Matching it to an open radio frequency, my playlist streamed through my car speakers with surprisingly rich audio and zero static hiss. Taking hands-free phone calls while driving 60 miles an hour was impressive. The dual mics blocked out background road noise, so my voice came through crisp and clear. My favorite part was using the fast charging ports to power my phone while navigating. If you drive an older vehicle without wireless audio, this gadget is an incredible upgrade. For drivers who prefer a heavy-duty mechanical clamp for their phone, check this option out now.
Product number 5. VanMass Universal Car Phone Mount. Unboxing the VanMass Universal Mount, the heavy-duty plastic frame, thick silicone padding, and smooth telescopic arm felt remarkably well made. The side release button opens the clamp arms with a quick, smooth glide. What makes this mount stand out is its sheer versatility. You get a steel cord air vent clip
along with a super sticky suction cup for your dashboard or windshield. I stuck the suction cup onto my textured dash, and the locking lever clamped it down so tightly it didn't budge even on baking hot days. Extending the arm brought my phone right into my natural line of sight, making GPS directions effortless to follow. My favorite part was how the soft padded clamps held my phone securely without scratching my thick case. If you want a rock-solid phone holder that works in virtually any vehicle, this is an exceptional choice for your daily commute.
That wraps up my hands-on testing of the 5 best car gadgets on Amazon. Every single one of these items solved a real headache in my daily driving routine. Check out the links down in the description below for live pricing. And drive safe out there.